Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to pass the contact attributes using the inbuilt chat widget, and for this we are going to use the token or the security token which has been used. Uh, just a quick reminder to subscribe to channel so that it benefits any of the YouTube content creator, and you can watch this video in 1.5x. Okay, so let me quickly dive into the document, right? So over here in Amazon Connect, they have also updated quite a the features from the chat widget that I will cover in upcoming videos. But in this one, we will see how to pass the contact attributes. And in this, what they are saying is to pass any contact attributes, you can use the security token, which we discussed in the one of the previous videos, how to pass the token and all this thing. And you can also pass the attributes in that. Okay, so what we will do first is we will create a widget, right? So we will name it something called token and contacts, let's say. And we will go to the one of the call flow that I have. I think it is sync flow one. Okay. And I don't want calling and save and continue. I will add the domain. So my domain is something like this. So I will just copy over here and over here, and I want the token security key, save and continue. And this gives me this one, right? So what I will do is I will copy the script. I will go to view. I will create a new HTML file. Where is the text file? What? I'm not able to see. Copy paste. So we will name it pass contact at tree with token. So there is another way without token that I will cover in the next video. Okay, let's open this one and I will copy the script again, copy paste. Okay, now in this what I have to do is first pass the attribute. So I will go back to my flow over here and copy this thing. Okay, so if you remember in the previous one of the video, right, where how to enable or how to pass the contact attributes, we wrote a script over here, and by using this token we are passing the attributes. So what I will do is I will just put this value over here. I will remove this tag and just pass the JSON. Okay, so now we are passing all this attribute along with the security key and the widget ID. For the information, I will copy key. I will go over here and I will paste the key over here. Okay, and this ID is this one. Oops, I can't copy from here. Let me go here and copy the snippet ID. Sorry, contact this ID, right? And load HTML over here. I will paste this value. Okay, and what is the HTML name that we created? We created something called this. Okay, and what I will do is I will copy this snippet so that when I open something called localhost 3030 port with path this, it will invoke my this HTML. Okay, now over here we have to add the contact attribute. We have done that. Now we have to call that token, right? So there is a code snippet over here. I will just copy this one and paste it over here. Okay, now what we are doing over here is we are authenticating the token which is coming back, right? This token, right? And we are generating let me start the server first. So let me show you what is happening. So now if I open and do slash token, right? So I will generate a token, right? And which is like this. So this is datas dot token, right? So if I go back to my code snippet, this is data dot token. Okay. So now it will generate this one token, and it will give back to the Amazon Connect so that it can authenticate and start the chatbot. Okay. So let's see does it start my chatbot or not. I will do this, and over here, just a second. Did I have a dot over here? No, no. Okay. So if you see, chatbot has started, and now it is supposed to be sending the parameter, but we are not displaying it anywhere right now. So what I will do is, if you see over here, it has started the chat. I will end the chat over here, and I will go, and over here, what I will do is attributes, and what parameter we are passing. We are passing name as Jane. So I will just give Jane over here, and we should see this value over here once we again start the chatbot. So just for the refreshment, I do that, and it should display the name as Jane over here somewhere. Yep. So it has recognized, and this is how we can pass the contact attributes back to the Amazon Connect using the security token. In the next video, we will see how to pass the contact attributes without using the security token. So this is what we are going to try over there. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.